Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going from Maidencombe to Babbacombe on a lovely September day. So join us down some Devon country roads. We're starting, it may say the signpost for Torquay, but on our left there is Maidencombe Beach. We've covered that in other videos and I'll put a link in the description. Well worth heading to if you have the time. And now we're on the Torquay Coast Road, entering into Babbacombe and then Torquay. But just enjoy the drive for the next few minutes. I know lots of you who watch these videos aren't subscribers, so if I can ask you to do me a massive favour and just hit the subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing but helps the channel enormously, so if you can do that for me, that would be much appreciated. Anyway, enough of me talking, enjoy the drive. We're just coming into the outskirts of Babbacombe and hence Torquay now, but on our left I just wanted to show you the turning for Watcombe Beach. I've covered this in another video and again I'll put the link down below, but you turn down that little turning there. We're just coming up the St Mary Church Road here into St Mary Church. On our left is Torquay Golf Club, and there's if you go up on the left at the roundabout here, there's a great little park You can walk out onto the sea, which is nice. On our right is St Mary Church, which is a lovely little place, nice shopping precinct. A great little cake shop up there as well if you're interested. And as we come down into Babbacombe itself, we've got on our left, you can just see through the trees there, the model village, which is well worth going to. They do a great display at Christmas as well if you're down. Lots of little houses all Christmas decorated. Well worth it for a night out. We're coming now into Babbacombe itself as we turn the corner here. Lots of traffic on this day, which was always fun. But on our left, just before the traffic lights, there's a museum called Bygones, which I must admit I was a bit reticent about going to, but it's brilliant. Great way to while away a few hours. Shows you all the historic aspects, and you can walk through streets and trenches and all that kind of stuff. Well worth going to. But we turn left here into Babbacombe itself. We're actually coming around the corner for those eagle-eyed view. The model village is down on our left. We've kind of looped all the way around it. So if you come to the model village, just come down this road and the car park is on your left and you can walk through to the model village itself. But we're going to follow the road around to our right here. And we're actually now coming on to Babbacombe front. For those eagle-eyed view, you'll know I've done the video down to the Canary Arms. Well, this is the route you'll take kind of at top level to the Canary Arms, and I'll show you where that goes in a minute when we get round to it. A lovely sunny day, as you can see. It was really great. Nice to see some late sunshine. And it was quite warm as well, but busy in a very popular spot. Lots of cars parked up. Very busy. On our left here is the Cliff Railway, the Babbacombe Cliff Railway. Great fun to go down. Great cafe at the bottom there, so well worth it if you're in the area. But we've got here the Babbacombe Cliffs. Great park. It's a shame the camera's not 360. You'd have fabulous views over to Teignmouth and Dawlish, Babbacombe Bay on our left there. But we're coming past all the hotels. These are really popular at Christmas time with the tinsel tours. But absolutely lovely. You can see people walking their dogs and just enjoying the atmosphere, which is well worth it. We're coming up to the end of the video now. If I can just ask you to subscribe, costs you nothing but really helps the channel and helps me. And by all means drop me a comment or a like if you've been to Babbacombe. On our left here we've got the Babbacombe Theatre, and just after that we've got the turning down to the Canary Arms, which is a great road to go down. I'll link the separate video in the description, but yeah, it's down there. So we're coming round on our loop now back onto the Torquay Road. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.